Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I want to share with you guys an easy way to make a face mask using fabric, hot glue, and some string. You can use an old t-shirt if you don't have fabric laying around, and it's also reusable and washable. You can wash it in the machine with cold water or hand wash it, and this is so quick. It took about 10 minutes. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so you'll need fabric, string, hot glue gun, scissors, and some extra glue sticks, and a ruler. Okay, now I'm going to grab my fabric and fold it in half. Just make sure it's nice and flat. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make an adult size mask. So if you want to make a child size mask, then adjust the length and width accordingly. So I measured 10 inches long and 7 inches wide. Now just adjust it and then cut this little piece right here. Now using my hot glue gun, I'm going to glue these two pieces of fabric together on the top and the bottom. And then gently press these together. Just be careful because it might be a little hot. Now just repeat the same steps on this side. Now you're just going to fold this inside out. Okay, so now using some string, I'm going to measure out 2.5 feet long. I should have did 3 feet because I do have a big head. So if you have a big head like me, you might want to do 3 feet instead of 2.5. And then I'm just going to cut this in 2 pieces. Okay, so now I'm going to attach the screen to the face mask. I'm going to hold the string in place with my 2 fingers and then add some hot glue to the side and then pinch the 2 pieces together to the fabric so your string doesn't move, and just press it down. You're going to want to glue the other flap down as well. Now just repeat the same steps on the other side. And I just want to mention, it's very important not to get any glue on the string because then it won't be able to slide through. Okay, so I noticed that the corners were a little messy, so I'm going to glue them down and then trim off the excess. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to put it on. So you have your mask like this and you have the strings on the side. You want to grab the strings like this and then you're just going to pull down. Other side, pull it down. So now you have these scrunched sides. I'm just going to put it on. And then you're going to take these strings and tie them together in the back. Now we're tied, and my glasses keep getting foggy, but just adjust it, adjust it. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, and then there is your mask. The mask, and yeah guys, here we go, and we're safe to go to the grocery store. Okay guys, and that's how you make this DIY face mask with hot glue and string. And I hope you guys liked it. If you do, leave me a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Peace out. Okay.